N-ARK, or N-ARK, is a Japanese startup that obviously didn't Google its name beforehand, but wants to reinvent architecture and combat climate change. Though, their latest concept is less of a battle and more rolling with the punches. The company created a concept they call Arktecture, a combination of culture, technology, and arks. The startup says exploding population, in a non-literal sense, and an increasing threat from climate change, typhoons, floods, hurricanes, and overall salt damage will pose a real threat to urban areas by the end of the century. N-ARK says we'll need more salt-tolerant technology as a society, and is creating a prototype, Green Ocean, which combines seawater farming technology that uses seawater as a nutrient source and floating construction technology. The project hopes to be on the water as soon as 2022. The concept calls for greenhouses both above and below sea level. Above the water will be a greenhouse used for food production, below the surface will be used to grow algae. The design calls for thinned wood as a building material and carbon joints to make it salt resistant. The carbon coating will also make it more buoyant. The roof's V-shape is designed for rainwater collection. According to N-ARK, the rainwater will be mixed with seawater, pH adjustment, and dilution rate adjuster to make a fertilizer. The room is also cooled and the temperature maintained using seawater. N-ARK has partnered with fellow startup Arktecture to patent their particular seawater agriculture technology. Arktecture will work on the seawater agricultural tech and crop development. The technology is a take on aeroponics that they call moisture culture technology. They also called it moist technology, but let's just use the whole term. Moisture culture cultivates under humidity control. The approach uses about 5 millimeters of special fiber to replace natural soil. The plants are fed a mix of nutrients using a water mist that only calls for about 1/10 of the water required in conventional irrigation farming. So, we're building the ark for the plants. Is anyone working on the meat ark? Oh, it's just a dark twist on Noah's efforts. Green Ocean looks like a destination in a post-apocalyptic film. Wait, are we in a post-apocalyptic film? I guess that since the apocalypse hasn't happened, to our knowledge anyways, this is just like background or the first act. I'm David Manti. This is I Am Now. Enjoy your weekends.